Good morning, children. So, today we will be starting from the chapter An Indian American Women in Space, Kalpana Chawla. So, class 6, this is from the book Honeysuckle. So, let's begin with the chapter. In 1997, an Indian American, Kalpana Chawla, was the part of international crew aboard US Space Shuttle Columbia, becoming the first woman born in India to go into space. Sadly, the second mission in Columbia ended in tragedy. So, as you know, Kalpana Chawla is an Indian born, okay, who went to international crew aboard US Space Shuttle. Okay, but in his second mission, Columbia, Chawla ended. Came to an end by a tragedy. Okay, so let's begin the chapter. Tragedy in space. US Space Shuttle Columbia breaks into flames. So, in the year 1997, the uh, they had in first 1997 was a part of international crew abroad in US. Okay, and after that, his second mission, it was a tragedy. When was the tragedy? We'll come to know. In an unprecedented space tragedy, US Space Shuttle Columbia, carrying Indian-born American astronaut Kalpana Chawla and six others, broke apart in flames as it streaked over Texas towards its landing strip on Saturday. 1st February 2003, killing all seven on board. So when Kalpana Chawla and more six other astronauts were coming down, okay, from the space to land on Earth, which was on Texas, is one of the places in America. It was broke into flames. Okay, flames means क्या बोलते हैं, आग में तब्दील हो गया वो रॉकेट, और उसके बाद it was into pieces. Okay, and all were killed. All seven were killed in 1st February 2003. The shuttle lost contact with NASA at about 9 a.m. 1930 hours IST as it came in for landing. It was flying at an altitude of over 2 lakh feet and traveling at 20,000 kilometers per hour when ground control lost contact with the shuttle. So the shuttle was coming at such a speed that it even lost contact with NASA. Okay, and what happened? Its altitude was 2 lakh feet. Okay, and its speed per hour was 20,000 kilometers. Okay, Columbia had lifted off on 16 January 2003 from Kennedy Space Center. So, Columbia, the rocket was lifted up from there. कब वो चला गया था स्पेस में? 16 जनवरी 2003 में. कहाँ से? कैनेडी स्पेस सेंटर से. हाँ, वो कहाँ है? फ्लोरिडा में. हम लोग का इसरो है ना, तो वैसे ही वहाँ का है कैनेडी स्पेस सेंटर. हाँ, it had stayed in orbit for 16 days and 7-member crew. So उन लोग वो स्पेस में कितना दिन रहे हैं? 16 days और 7 members, 7 जन था, और and 80 experiments. इसके जाने से पहले there was 80 experiment conducted. Okay, all of them had gone training a lot and experiment also done a lot. Okay, all the 7 members, before going to the space, they have to do trainings and all. Okay, this was Columbia's 28th space flight and shuttle was said to be good for 100 flights. So ये Columbia का 28th टाइम था गए हुए स्पेस में, और ये बोल रहे थे कि this time also this will be correct. Now let's move on to Kalpana Chawla. Kalpana Chawla said that she never dreamed as a child in Colonel that she would cross the frontiers of space. It was enough that her parents allowed her to attend engineering college after she graduated from Tagore School. So this lady is uh, Kalpana Chawla. Okay, she had made not only America proud as well as India proud. Okay, she was the lady who had gone to space. So she never thought she would become an astronaut. Okay, she would be a she attended engineering college and graduated from Tagore schools. Okay, after Bachelor of Science degree in astronautical engineering, against great opposition from her father, she went for master's degree to the United States of America. She later earned her PhD in aerospace engineering. So see here, all women should, women should be ambitious in life. See, Kalpana Chawla was so ambitious that she not only completed a degree in aeronautical engineering, but against her father. Her father was against. Her father did not want her to do MA, but she went against her father and did master's degree where in United States of America, and after masters also she earned her PhD. Okay, further studies are known as PhD in aerospace engineering. So Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian American woman astronaut to blast off from the launch pad at Cape Canaveral. She was the first woman, okay, from India who went to America, studied there, and joined the NASA, okay, and also first Indian American woman astronaut to blast off from the launch pad. Florida, and participate in successful mission in spaces. Before her tragedy, she had done many successful missions. Her family from India cheered along with staff at Kennedy Space Center as they watched the Columbia lift up. So her family cheered up when Kalpana Chawla was going on the space. Okay. So for here till point number 2, then next video I'll do from point number 3.